Whether you're a new mom looking for a vehicle with top-tier safety features, or you're shopping for the most important woman in your life, we've got you covered. At Russ Darrow Direct, we offer a wide selection of vehicles tailored for every stage of motherhood, from spacious SUVs with built-in car seat support to sleek, fuel-efficient sedans perfect for empty nesters. Take a look at some of our current inventory that have received an IIHS Top Safety Pick rating. Moms do everything, so let's put them behind the wheel of something that does too. To view these top tier vehicles, visit russdarrowdirect.com or simply stop by at your convenience.